Hi, Miss. My name is Luis Fernando and I am 24 years old. From Monday to Friday in the morning, I wake early and get out of bed. Then I brush my teeth and shower to start the day with energy. After that, I had reset and heavy breakfast before heading of my university classes. In the afternoon, I usually have lunch and take some time to rest. Then I study and do my university work. I have free time. I like to go to the beach or check my social media. At night, I sometimes go for a walk or spend time with my family. After dinner, I relax and bit preparing my things for the next day. And then go to bed early to get a good night sleep. This is my daily routine from Monday to Friday.